Okay guys, like what are we gonna do today?
I don't know. Beats me. Whoa.
Hey guys, how's it going? I need you to help me with something.
Yes, but you gotta do a favor for us.
Okay, what can I do for you?
Get rid of that kid right there. Can you get rid of that guy?
Oh yes, of course. I'll right now go to Mount Everest and find a lamb named George.
Alright then, Mr. Sun, thanks. We'll be on it right away.
Yeah, bye, Mr. Sun. Peace out! What? You guys just left me? Alright.
Yeah, so... have you guys... Whoa! There it is! Are you guys ready? Are you really ready?
Yes, I'm really ready. Next dimension here. Okay. Huzzah! This is so strange.
I know, right? Is that a panda?
Take me, Mike.
Oh, my! It's a turkey! Alright guys, I think we're ready. Mike, you wanna go?
Wish me luck. Going, Mike. Oh, the pain, the pain. Whee! Let's turn it on.
Whoa guys, let's go in.
Bye, cruel world. Oh. Where'd Brent go?
Where'd that little parrot go?
Who cares? Let's just go on without him.
Yeah, I bet he got lost in the strawberry dimension or something.
Cheese pop. Oh no, I forgot my stuff.
I'm ready.
Ah!
Whoops.
And this right here is the silent migrating mulberry tree.
Who are you talking to?
That guy.
Dude, I see it. See that thing? Mount Everest.
Oh man, here it comes.
I'm ready. Are you ready?
Ready.
Caution, beware of cheese. Cool. Yeah. Whoa.
Wow, cheese. Ah. Yeah.
Yeah. Did you hear that?
Yeah, it's George.
We gotta go save him.
Yeah.
you hear that? I don't like this. Earthquake! What's going on? What's going on? What's going on? So yeah, now that we came here, what are we supposed to do for you? Yeah, sure. Yeah, we can do that. Wait, what? What? Huh. Oh, you want us to kill that person? Yeah, we can do that. Be free, George!
Wow, Brent, you're back! Yeah!
Shut the fuck up.